Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Koenig Knives Mini Goblin here with me, and we're gonna try to improve the action of this little guy. Okay, so it's gonna be pretty straightforward. Just get your T8 going and start from the pivot like this. It's captive because this side is nice and flush, and so you're gonna need just one. It's made out of titanium, it's bronze anodized, and it looks absolutely cool in this DLC coated sets of handles and blade. So it gives that interesting pop, I think. And then you can take out these three screws, sorry, and like so. And then you're basically done. Pretty straightforward construction over here, nothing too crazy going on. Let's see, let's just disengage the blade and boom, and we're done. Then we're gonna need to remove this guy. Then we're gonna clean all this area here. I like to use these alcohol swabs like this to just get rid of any gunk, any grease. Let's see, also here you have some DLC coated blade, which might, I don't know, leave more residue out. Let's see, it was pretty clean. Nice ceramic bearings going on. Yeah, really cool. Yeah, you clean your bearing pockets right over here. You can see here the GM, which probably is KO, and 2-3, I don't know. If somebody knows what this means, I think probably it's like a batch code or something. But let me know in the comments, guys. Because I'm not sure about that. I know that in the Arius you see the batch number and the generation of the Arius. Let's clean also this area here, yeah, like that. Clean the track. We can also clean the blade. All right, beautiful. So that's cleaned. This is cleaned. Everything is nicely degreased because that's alcohol. So we are pretty much good to go. So let's use some of this nano oil. Let's do a 10 weight. Let's see how it goes. All right. Over here for our pivot. All right. So let's just do like that. Then we're gonna need actually to start from this scale, because this is where you have your keyed in pivot. So you see there's a shape like a protuberance right over here, which has to go right over there. Look at that. So just align this and it's not gonna be able to spin. So we're gonna need to start from this scale over here. And then we can do a little bit of nano oil. This is weight 10. All right, so this set is symmetrical, so it doesn't really matter the orientation of the bearing. And then you've got your blade in like so. Very good. Stop in. So that was there, so stop in like that is in. Then we do just a little bit over here and maybe a little bit in the detent ball track. All right. Okay, that is in. And then we have basically this guy going in. Beautiful. And now we can just screw in the handle like that. Don't over tighten the screws, because you know it can be risky. You can strip them, so just a little bit for now. We're gonna tighten everything back together once we place the pivot screw in, and just be gentle. All right, very good. Now we've got just the pivot, and we can use, you know what, just a little bit of this blue Loctite over here, just like that, just to, you know, feel the thread like so. And because this is a weak thread lock, so it's not gonna hurt. And then you just tighten this pivot over here. Very good. So we're gonna check for blade play. Okay, and you can take this guy just to clean it up like that. Okay, and let's also clean the blade like this, because this DLC coating, it's like a fingerprint magnet. All right, very good. All right, so look at this, fingerprints all over the place. So let's check blade centering. Very good. No blade play. It's, let me see, it feels a little bit too tight. So let's just do maybe like this. Blade is still centered. Ooh. Very nice, actually. Beautiful. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.